hands up.
Hi listeners, welcome back to Nanda Server channel. In this video I will explain you how to make DHCP server and client to MikroTik. DHCP or Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol is protocol to function for give IP address automatically for client DHCP. DHCP server is server to give IP address automatically with DHCP. DHCP client is client to get IP address from server DHCP. You can use this topology. Please subscribe, share, and watch this video until finish. First, we can see what is status interface on this router board by command interface print, and you can see that on Ether5 and WLAN 1 is run or R because Ether5 connect to my laptop and on WLAN 1 connect to Wi-Fi Ananda. Then add an active DHCP client for interface wireless because interface wireless is connect to ISP or internet. By command IP DHCP client add interface WLAN 1 disabled no, and see information by command IP DHCP client print. Then we can see that on WLAN 1 status bound means already get IP address from ISP wireless. If you see IP address from command IP address print, you can see that on this IP address by flex or status D or dynamic means automatically get IP address. Then you can see that on IP gateway from command IP route print. Then you can see that on status is dynamic too. Then you can see IP DNS by command IP DNS print. Then IP DNS on dynamic server use gateway from internet. Then you can active allow remote request to servers on Ether5 by command IP DNS set servers 192.168.100.1 allow remote request yes. Then see information it by command IP DNS print. Then we can see that on this information servers and allow remote request configured before successfully. Then you can check connect to Google for know whether connected or no by command ping google.com. Then we can see that on status is empty means no problem on this connect. Then you can check IP DHCP server by command IP DHCP server print. Then you can see that on this information DHCP server has not been added. Then set up DHCP server for Ether5 by command IP DHCP server setup. Select interface to run DHCP server on Ether5 by type Ether5. Then we can see that DHCP address is interrupted space. So add address to Ether5 by press Ctrl and C simultaneously to cancel this configure. Then to see information address by type IP address print. Then we can see from this information that IP address to Ether5 has not been added. Then add address to interface Ether5 like topology before by command IP address add address equal 192.168.100.1/24 interface equal Ether5. Then see information address by type IP address print. Then we can see from this information that IP address to Ether5 has been added successfully. So set up DHCP server by command IP DHCP server setup. Select interface Ether5 by type Ether5, then press enter. For example, I select this space for this network DHCP. After that, press enter. For this gateway, use IP address on Ether5 because between client Ether5 and others. For example, I select this pool. For DNS server, you can use address from Ether5 because allow remote request has been active. For list time IP DHCP example, I select 10 minutes. Then see information DHCP server by command IP DHCP server print. Then we can see from this information that DHCP server to interface Ether5 has been added successfully. Then try to change obtain or DHCP client on client Ether5. Right click on icon network, open network and internet settings. Scroll down, change adapter options. Choose interface physical network adapter like Ethernet. Right click, status, properties. Double click on Internet Protocol version 4 or TCP or IP version 4. Because I already obtained, so I click cancel and cancel. Then click details for see information details on this IP address. Then we can see from this information that IP address from this client get is 192.168.100.254. Then we can check to connection internet with command prompt by press Windows and R simultaneously. Then type cmd, then press enter. Then use command ping google.com to check connection to google.com. Then we can see from this information that means cannot connect to google.com. Then try to ping DNS Google by command ping x.x.x. Then we can see from this result that destination net unreachable means cannot connect to DNS Google. Then check connection to gateway by command ping 192.168.100.1. Then we can see from this result that reply means connection successfully because this client in the same segment from IP gateway is Ether5. Conclusion, cannot access to internet because there is no function network address translation. So we can add function network address translation to translation network private to network public. See information network address translation by command IP firewall net print. We see from this information that has not been added function network address translation. To add function network address translation by command IP firewall net add chain equal src not out this interface equal wlan1 action equal masquerade. Then see information back by same command. Then we can see from this information that function network address translation has been added and that status is nothing means has been active. Then we can see anyone registered DHCP like anyone client by command IP DHCP server list print. Then we can see from this information that client before is registered address, MAC address, hostname, server, DHCP, status, and login. Then that client head status is D means dynamic. We can change to static by command IP DHCP server list make static numbers equal 0 because client date on numbers 0. Then see information date by command IP DHCP server list print. Then we can see from this information that status from client before is nothing means been static and active. Then try to ping google.com with command prompt. And we can see from this information that means connected successfully. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
Will you subscribe? Subscribe available.